Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Padhai with Guru Chela. So my dear BA Honors Political Science 4th semester UGCF NEP based students, how are you all? I just hope you all are doing well and taking proper care of yourself. Dear students, in today's video, we are going to dive deep into the syllabus of your discipline specific core course 12, which is global politics. Dear students, in this video, we will explore syllabus, themes and units of this paper, and in the last, we will discuss some essential and recommended readings by University of Delhi. This video is important for all the students of University of Delhi, SOL and NC Web. So dear all, let's begin. Alright my dear students, let's take a look at the syllabus of your DSC paper 12 Global Politics. Dear students, this course aims to give students a solid understanding of global politics by looking beyond the Eurocentric perspective. It explores different locations and context of global politics throughout history and in the present day. We will be using the concepts of geopolitics, geoeconomics, and geostrategy to explore various aspects of global politics. We will discuss questions of power control and identity by examining the cultural influences on global politics. The course also covers important contemporary global issues like climate change, nuclear proliferation, migration, terrorism, and human security. We will also explore grassroots politics through global social movements in our interconnected world. One important aspect of this course is highlighting the perspectives from the global south, which help us broaden and truly globalize our understanding of global politics. So dear students, I hope this gives you a good overview of what to expect in this course. Now dear students, let's move on the units, syllabus, themes and topics of this paper. So dear students, there are total of 4 units in this paper. Unit 1, Locating Global Politics. So in this unit, dear students, we will start by locating global politics, understanding its scope and relevance in today's world. Next unit is Unit 2, Changing Nature of Global Politics, in which we are going to explore and understand globalization to deglobalization and post-globalization, geopolitics, geoeconomics and geostrategy, territorialization and deterritorialization, cultural frames of global politics. So overall dear students, in the second unit, we will explore the changing nature of global politics from globalization to deglobalization and post-globalization. We will also dive into concepts like geopolitics, geoeconomics and geostrategy, understanding how they shape global politics. Additionally, we will discuss territorialization and deterritorialization, examining how borders and territories impact global politics, and of course, we will explore the cultural frames that influence global politics. Next, in the unit 3rd, Contemporary Global Politics, we will focus on contemporary global issues. We will delve into ecological issues like climate change and the international environmental agreements that aim to address them. We will also study the proliferation of nuclear weapons in the post-Cold War era and its implications. Global terrorism and its impact on global security will be a crucial topic of discussion. Additionally, we will explore migration and its causes and consequences on a global scale. Finally, we will examine the concepts of human security and its importance in our interconnected world. Now in the last unit, Unit 4, Global Social Movements, we will explore global social movements. We will begin with the environment movements, understanding how individuals and groups advocate for environmental protection. Then we will shift our focus to women movements, highlighting the struggles and achievements of women's rights movements around the world. And lastly, we will discuss peace movements which aim to promote non-violence and conflict resolution. So dear students, I hope this breakdown gives you a clear idea of what we will be covering in this course. If you have any specific questions or doubts, please comment below. Now dear students, let's move on the essential and recommended readings by University of Delhi. Unit 1 Locating Global Politics. एडिशनल रीडिंग्स भी आप लोग जो हैं देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पर जो है थीम वाइज यूनिट वाइज जो हैं यहाँ पर टॉपिक्स जो हैं दिए गए हैं और उनके लिए जो भी एसेंशियल और रिकमेंडेड रीडिंग्स हो सकती हैं वो सभी की सभी यहाँ पर गिवन हैं, आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी आप लोगों का सिलेबस है वो आप डाउनलोड कर पाएंगे हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन करते हुए। उस टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक हमने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड करा दिया है। एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग इससे पहले की 2 वीडियोस को जरूर चेकआउट करें जहां पर हमने आप लोगों के DSC 9 एंड DSC 10 का जो सिलेबस है वो हमने डिस्कस किया है। एंड उसी के साथ DSC जो आपका 11 है उसका भी सिलेबस हमने यहाँ पर Dear students, that's all for today. If you have any doubts or concern about the syllabus of your DSC paper 12 Global Politics, then drop them in the comment below and I will do my best to address them in an upcoming video. So dear students, that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel Padhai with Guru Chela and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.